What's this? Coffee house. Nutrition facts. No. Basketball cards. And a lot of saran wrap. What a jerk. Damn it. Whoa, Michael Jordan. It's Michael Jordan. Oops. Oh boy. They're not mint anymore. Look at all them. Look at all my basketball cards. Look. It's this guy. Brian Williams. A white guy. Brent Barry. My dog outside. Jason Kidd. Nuts and bolts insert. I got 2 of them. They're for trade. My cards came in the mail. He delivered them. Look at all these cards. Oh my God, they're stuck together. Otis Thorpe. Book value $8. I hate this guy. Look, it's Penny. And Brian Shaw. And a whole bunch of other guys. Like Sean Resperts. Jerry Stackhouse's scrapbook. This guy on the cover. Hope you enjoyed my break box. Box break. Many more to come.